original founder of the business, that dentist that has worked clinically and is usually the largest clinical producer in the business, transitioning to more of a full-time leadership or CEO role. Working in the business and working on the business simultaneously, as we all know as entrepreneurs, is really, really challenging. And it is for a dentist as well. So if he or she is working 4 days a week clinically and their personal income levels are really high because they're a super producer,
Yeah.
and they have a standard of living based around that income level, and none of us do what we do for free. We like the toys of life and everything. At that point, they start to transition out of the chair. Well, that doesn't mean that the patient load goes away. You got to now hire somebody to backfill behind you to do the work clinically that you're no longer doing, to free up time to be the leader of the business.
And that's a
But
hard
wait a minute.
transition too.
Yeah, and nobody wants to take an income hit to do it, right?
Yeah.
I mean, but again, there are only so many dollars to go around. So how do you kind of migrate or manage that process of extricating yourself from the chair and into a leadership role? And once you do become more of a full-time leader, what do you do? Like, what does it mean to be the CEO of a 5 location? Like, what does the CEO do 24/7?
Yep, exactly.
Everybody wants the title. They're just not sure what the responsibility is. So
it's pretty broad. Chief everything officer, right?
yeah, that's right.